Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save your animated Memoji to your camera roll on iPhone. So you tap on it until they show up, and then tap save, and then you could just tap on photos there, and then your Memoji will be there, and you could just send it to anyone again and again by tapping on it, and then tap the blue send icon on the right over there, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.